Welcome to Rooster Cycle Stop YouTube channel. In the never-ending expansion, I've got to cut this tree down. That big feller right there, that's got to come down. So I'm going to set up to do that, and then I'll have Becky take over the camera, and we'll see if I can't fell that thing that way. Or maybe I'll drop it on this barn. Hang on.
Going over here to safety.
That went exactly where I wanted it to go. That's pretty cool. So this tree has to go, and this barn has to go. But I just cut this down with this tiny saw. I knew it could do it.
It did it.